at all this fruit! Here I go!
Whee! Help me! Get them off the car! I can't see where I'm going! Ah! We're going too fast! Look out for the lava!
Oh, what a beautiful day for a drive, tra-la-la!
Vroom vroom! Get ready for the biggest splash of the century! Here I come! Faster, faster! Don't let the fruit get me! You can't escape the smoothie maker! Alright guys, buckle up, because today we are hitting the highway to talk about the latest updates. You won't believe this spoiler alert. Help! I can't stop!
It's right behind us. If we don't hit that overpass in 10 seconds, we're scrap metal.